Ready to ditch the inventory headache? Can unlock a world of trendy fashion for your online store. Today, we're diving deep into Trendsi, the dropshipping platform revolutionizing how boutiques access high-quality apparel and accessories. First, let's define what exactly Trendsi is. Trendsi connects fashion boutiques with a curated selection of vetted suppliers. Think of it as your shortcut to accessing on-trend styles without investing a fortune upfront. An inventory is streamlined approach to dropshipping is helping entrepreneurs everywhere. Now, let's explore the heart of Trendsi, how it works. Traditional retail requires you to buy stock in advance and hope it sells. Trendsi flips that model on its head. You list products from their catalog on your site. Once a customer places an order on your site, Trendsi handles the fulfillment from packaging to shipping. The best part, you only pay for the product after it sells. It's a game changer. From discovering new styles to tracking orders and analyzing sales data, Trendsi puts you in control, all in one centralized platform. With zero upfront inventory costs, a curated collection of on-trend pieces, and streamlined order fulfillment, Trendsi empowers you to scale your business faster and easier than ever before. Ready to unlock the future of fashion dropshipping? Check out the link in the description to learn more about Trendsi.